what's up guys? JP here with J.P.BBQ. Welcome back to my channel. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Today I have a huge surprise for you guys. I am going to be cooking some chicken. I'm going to be using my own specialty rub that I'm mixing together on this chicken. So you guys stay tuned and let me show you how these three different types of spicy chicken come out. So it's time to get this chicken out there in our Weber kettle grill. Oh, not Weber kettle, it's our Weber Performer. And I just wanted to show you guys what these chicken looks like. The three types of chicken, well, I'm using three separate pieces of chicken. I'm using on the first batch, I'm gonna be using just regular, my first blend that I came out with. And the second blend is actually my original blend that I started out with. So actually the third blend is a little bit, well, I don't want to say a little bit, but I tripled the spiciness to it, and I'm going to see what it comes out like. I'm trying to come out with a nice rub that's called Sweet Heat. It's got plenty of sugar in it, plenty of sweetener, but when I sent my my rub over to my family in Texas, they said, hey, it's lacking heat. So I'm gonna triple the heat on it and see what it comes out like. You guys stay tuned. So let's go ahead and get these chickens on our Weber. Got us some nice coals right there. I'm using my slow sear without the water. And here's my chicken. There's my first one. That's my original. The second one is the one that came from the manufacturer that co-packed it for me. And the third one back here, this one should be the hottest of the three. Put it down in the comments. Let me know what y'all think, how they're gonna come out. But let's go ahead and get them on here. All right, there we go. Let's cover it up. Watch that temperature go up. And we'll come back out here in just a little bit and see how this chicken comes out. Go ahead and probe my chicken, guys. Sometimes on Amazon you can get good deals, especially if it's like Amazon Prime Day or something. And I got this Tenergy Solus Food Smart thermometer, and it was a very good deal. I think I paid like $29. It's got 6 probes with it. It's obviously not, I don't think it's $29 anymore. It was only for that Prime Day that they were doing it for. But 6 probes for 29 bucks, plus it's got Bluetooth and a radio frequency that, you know, ties in with your smartphone. You can't beat that. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get these chickens probed in. I want to make sure they don't get above 165, 170. Almost forgot. Gotta put some wood in it. I'm gonna be cooking this chicken using some hickory wood. So let me go ahead and put it in. This is what I like about this Weber Performer. It's got this little, I don't know if you guys can see it. It's got this little lip right here. Makes it easy for adding some wood. Close it back up. There it is. That simple. Can't forget about the wood. It's raining here in Florida. It's in the afternoon. I don't know, roughly around 3:30. What you call these Florida showers. It's nice to have a carport where you can do this stuff. But anyway, let me tell you a little bit about this project that I've been working on. For the last couple of months, I've been trying to work out and develop my own line of rubs. And one of my rubs is called Sweet Heat, JP Sweet Heat. And I have a guy over in St. Petersburg in Pinellas County that's my co-packer. And he's putting these things together for me. So, you know, really nice guy, you know, great guy. You know, I haven't even seen him, but I've talked to him plenty of times on the phone. And he just seems like a really nice guy. Small company that they work with smaller companies to develop their own lines of rubs and things like that. But I've been wanting to do my own thing for a little while now. And JP Sweet Heat is a blend of spices and sugars and sweeteners that that I've been working on. So we developed this batch here, and I sent it to my family over in Texas. That they're my testers, you can say. You know, my family's cool. You know, if there's one thing about family, family will be honest with you, and they'll lay it on the line, whether they like it or don't like it. They're not trying to sugarcoat anything. But they said it wasn't hot enough. So today what I'm doing is I bumped up the spices for the heat and see if there's going to be a difference in the way this chicken comes out. I know there's a picture of a cow on there, but you can use it for chicken. You can use it for chicken, you can use it for pork, you can use it for beef, just about anything. You know, it's a really good rub. We like it, we use it all the time, and I'm going to start promoting my own line of rub, guys. That's my surprise. This is just one of them. And chicken's in there. We're going to see how it comes out. And hopefully, that other bottle right here, let me get it, make sure I don't fall. This is my third attempt at a hotter spice, a hotter heat, and see what it comes out like. But besides that, you guys stay tuned. We're going to watch how this chicken come out. We're going to do a taste test, and hopefully it's got that same sweetness as before with that additional little kick right there that everybody wants. You guys stay tuned. And put a little bit of butter on these chicken thighs and get them covered up. They've reached a temperature fairly quickly to about 115, 120. Chicken, FDA recommends 165. I like cooking it to 170. So, but we're gonna use a little bit of, I can't believe it's not butter. I hardly ever use this. The only time I use this is when I'm barbecuing. Wow, these things look amazing. Get a little bit of this butter on here. Just want to show you guys what these chickens coming out like. Man, it is looking good. Check it out. Very nice looking pieces of chicken. Have taken on a really nice color, and the juices are just, you see the juices all up in there? Man, it looks really, really good. Time to see which one of these chickens is spicier, or if it is spicier or hotter is what I mean. I put more spice in this third batch. Let me show you what we got going on right here. This right here is the first one that comes out of the original bottle. This second one here is the very first batch that I made. And then this third one here is the same batch, but with more hot spice in it. So we're gonna take a taste test and see which one of these is hotter, or if there is a difference. Hopefully this third one is hotter. It's time to check it out. I'm gonna start with the one that's not so hot. Oh, wow. It is juicy, I will tell you that. Here we go. Yeah, very little heat, what I can tell. Yeah. I can taste it like in the background, but you know, very little heat. All right, there's that one. Here we go. I can actually taste the sweetness in this one. This one got a little, there's the heat. I can start feeling the heat. In this second one, the sweet comes in first, and then that heat kind of sneaks in from behind. So now you got like a little sweet, tangy heat, you know, mix going on. But it's not super overpowering hot. So let's try this third one now. This one should be like the hottest. Here we go. Number 3, this should be the hottest. Yeah. Again, Oh yeah, I taste it now. It's coming. You can taste that sweetness, and my camera's crooked. Sorry about that. I'm recording all this with my iPhone. I didn't want to break up my other cameras. It's raining outside, but there we go. Let me get this level much better. But you can, in the crunchy part of the skin, you can taste that sweetness that it has from the sugars. And then from the back, in the back of the tongue, you can feel that heat kicking in. Oh yeah, it's coming. It's not super like wow, like it's burning your mouth, your flames coming out. No, a nice, sweet, mild to, I don't want to say low to mild, mild to medium heat. Okay, that's what it's got, and it's. Actually, it actually tastes very good. I didn't put anything else on this except for what you guys saw. A little bit of olive oil, put the seasoning on it, and then put the butter inside the Weber kettle. But besides that, that's my new rub that I'm gonna be coming out with, guys. And I think this third batch, I don't know if I want to put more heat. I think it's just right now. So hopefully that should be just fine. It's not an overpowering heat, is what I'm trying to say. And that sweetness kind of counters it. But besides that, that's my presentation of my new rub that I'm coming out with called JP Sweet Heat. Hope you guys like this video. And if you could, give it a thumbs up. Also, appreciate you hit that subscribe button over there. And as always, feel free to share this video with your friends. And I will catch you on the next cookout. Take care, guys.